Wagwan, my people. All right, so as a social media personality and somebody who's out in the public, I've been considered an inspirational slash motivational slash comedian. I don't even know, but I consider myself a inspirational slash motivational speaker. And whenever I come here, knows a CC only come to give good advice. Might not want to hear it, you understand me? But it's the truth and it's a fact. You understand me? And I do believe that, as somebody who speaks to the public, as the public looks up to you at all times with whatever you're doing, you should ensure that you're utilizing the utilitarian approach. In a synopsis, making sure that the greater mass of people benefit from what you're saying, because it's the best approach that you can take, as opposed to the minority. Remember now, we can't control people's feelings and how people feel now. And as a public speaker, you cannot let emotions get the better of you. So recently, me I hear say, me I hear a few little things, and it's like, being a wife, or a girlfriend, and you can't do certain things, and you can't give boyfriend, husband treatment, and da. No, I strongly believe as a person that, first impression don't last. That's a very vague and vapid statement. I don't believe that. You understand? Because people can't do what they want to forget you, and then when they get to them, start behave like crap. You understand me? But I do believe that when you're entering into a relationship, you have to sell yourself as the best person that you are, or you think you want to be or can be. Because question, when you go on interview, don't you try to sell the best points of you, the best characteristics? Don't you try to portray yourself as the person where they want to fit the position? That question I'm asking on, at 6:30, the job position, right? So why, when you're entering into a relationship, why wouldn't you want to exercise the same method? Unless it's a F-boy, F-girl relationship, then you're going to say, boy, I just do it, and, there's nothing long-term. But if you, as a woman, you meet a man, why not perform wifely duties? How the hell you want a man to make you a wife when you act like a girlfriend, And while he's there acting as a husband? When you meet the man, if I oxtail, you cook the son, nobody downgrade your oxtail to chicken, but just because you don't want to get that, because you're not giving the husband treatment. No, continue to be you. You understand me? Continue to be you, and when him see your wifely qualities, will make you a wife. But if you act like a girlfriend for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, him not gonna make you a wife. Some man wanna finger so sad and lonely. It's because he's not making you a wife, because you're not acting like a wife. And mind you, don't get it twisted. Marriage not change everything. It's just a ring and a piece of paper, but the commitment that underlies marriage is way more than when you were a girlfriend or a boyfriend. You understand me? You have to do things. Someone hold back for what? You not let go now a cartel? Listen to me now, as alkaline said, things take a little time. So if you do what you're supposed to do, that man will make you a wife. And if him now make you a wife, then you realize I'm play Blue's Clues. And if you're not a child, then you're gonna go, because you're not a part of the games. You understand me? But when you meet him, man, you have to do things, man. Wash for the man if a machine. Back then when I used to live in Jamaica, my husband can tell me not put white clothes in a machine, and me do have to put them in there. When me tell us I'm stack up on blue soap. Me used to go to Brooklyn, go stack up on my blue soap, and because him armpit and him color them, they look them can't put through in a machine, so you have to make sure say attack them before you even put them in a machine. Some man everything gonna take through in a machine, I curb everything. Everything gonna take through in a machine. My mat them I go to the door, I put them on Mr. Scott concrete, and I brush them, I wash them. You understand me? At that time I wasn't looking for a ring. But those are things those things were a part of me growing up as as a country girl. Me never go stop because of a man. If when me perform them duties, then him not make me a wife, then me move on. Me move on to the next level like a Candy Crush. You understand me? You cannot just sit there and hold back on certain things because you don't want to do certain things because him my boyfriend and him not make your wife. How the hell you gonna be wife if him and a husband? Treat him like a husband and he'll treat you like a wife. You understand me? What kind of woman you be if every day the man when him come from it wanna buy food and I go and go eat? No. You're supposed to can't cook every now and then, man. I understand the work world busy. You're supposed to can't cook every now and then and the man sit down and eat. You understand me? You help the man, you iron him clothes, you do all chores together, you just do things together. Don't hold back. You understand me? Someone not hold back on qualities like when a picnic, you have a marble, you have a perps, and you just use a chippy one them because you know use a perps. That's someone not hold back. You understand me? But as Kenny Rogers say, you have to know when to walk away, you have to know when to run. You understand me? So if that man is not doing what he's supposed to do, if you are perform wifely duties, then go. But my sister, don't meet the man today and say you not do certain things because him not make your wife for what? Show him what he's supposed to use and judge you off of making him wife. And as I say, if he's not doing what he's supposed to do, sweetie, make her run feet.